You have created your digital assets. It could be a brochure, it could be a book, or whatever you intend to use to generate your leads. All right. But they are not doing their job. They are dead PDFs which have no life, which have no essence. They might be eye candy, but they are not talking to your audience. Okay. So this is where our video book funnels come into picture. Here is one such example of a video book funnel. Now we have created a PDF and then we have converted that into a booklet that speaks to your customers. How does that happen? So what we have done is we embedded videos into this booklet. Now what can happen is that you are speaking your voice to your customer. You are engaging with your customer. What you have also done is that this video is loaded onto your YouTube. So every time somebody sees your booklet, you are driving traffic to your YouTube channel. And not only that, when you use this booklet, we can tell you how many people are viewing your booklet, from which part of the world, using what kind of devices, and for how long. So let's see.
Are Chinese products destroying your profit margins? Are high import duties making Indian manufacturing uncompetitive? There's a legal way to match Chinese pricing with superior quality. Meet Mover, India's best-kept manufacturing secret, with Mover import machinery completely duty-free. No export obligations, no minimum investment limits. Here's the game changer. Import raw materials without paying customs duties. Only pay when selling domestically. This beats Chinese pricing instantly. Chinese manufacturers get cheap government-subsidized raw materials. Mover gives you the same advantage. Import steel, chemicals, components, duty-free.
So you get the idea, right? So you are sending traffic to your YouTube channel. You are engaging with your customers, and you are making sure that all your digital assets are more productive, talking to your customer in your voice. Let me know what you think of this technology. If you are a startup owner, you need this book to send your collateral to your potential customers. If you are a coach, all the booklets that you have created can help you talk better with your clients. And if you are a product owner, you can embed a QR code on your product, which will convert your product into a live portal. So, want to know more information? Set up some time with me and I'll be more than happy to explain how this works. Thank you.